what type of job roles is SEC 586 designed for? And I guess give us a little bit of info on who this class is perfect for, who would be, a good follow up for, that kind of stuff.
Sure. So SEC 586 is really designed to teach PowerShell specifically with respect to Blue Team operations tasks. So everything from identification, protection, to even detection and response, we cover uh, with respect to how do we automate those tasks. And so really it kind of transcends normal roles. It's great for security analysts, security engineers, security architects, but we've also had developers come through the course. We even had an auditor come through the course. And the feedback has always been that it gives them a lot of perspective on automation for things that, the student might be thinking of they want to automate. We give them the basic understanding of PowerShell so that they can take that skill set and apply it to any other kind of day-to-day tasks within their role as well.
Um, are there specific industries that would benefit from this course, or is it kind of, across the whole gamut?
Hey, it really runs the whole gamut. I would have said a few years ago that, if you're a Windows-oriented shop, then it's really perfect for you. Now that PowerShell is cross-platform, we have the ability to also implement this kind of at scale on non-Windows platforms as well. So, you know, most organizations have some subset of Windows infrastructure, so it kind of automatically lumps them into that it applies to you category. But it also now with more modern versions, we have the ability to go cross-platform and get that same look and feel and that same consistency in our automation across multiple platforms. At its most basic, there are no prerequisites. You don't have to come in with a computer science degree or be really skilled at coding to get off and running with SEC 586. I would say that the understanding of the blue team concepts we cover are a nice to have prerequisite. So we'll cover things like, say, deception. We'll automate some deception techniques with PowerShell. Well, understanding how those deception mechanisms work and what we will do with those from an operational perspective is a nice to have prereq, because we're going to take that blue team skill and we're going to focus on automating it. So, you know, we'll teach the PowerShell from the ground up, but that base understanding of the blue team side of things is helpful to have as you kind of come into SEC 586.